from Purdue University. I'll be giving a short overview of my work on measuring and modeling apple trees using the time of flight data for dormant pruning applications. This work is supported by the US Department of Agriculture. So, first, I would like to start with some of the motivations behind my work. So, we are talking about dormant pruning applications here, so we should actually know what dormant pruning is. Dormant pruning basically refers to the removal of certain primary branches of trees during the winter season when the tree is dormant. This is very much needed for healthy growth and yield of the fruits for the next production cycle. It is considered as one of the most costly and labor intensive processes because it needs a huge labor and the cost associated is also very high. The motivation behind automatic pruning is we want to reduce the dependence on this huge workforce and the associated cost. So for this entire research, we are using the images from Kinect 2 sensor. We have gone to orchards and collected depth images of apple trees. Here I have listed some of the goals of my research. So as I already told, the final goal would be automation, would be a robotic interface. So for that purpose, we are trying to make automatic pruning decisions. We start with building really accurate 3D models of apple trees, dormant apple trees. And in this paper specifically, we have worked on modeling the primary branches and the trunk of the tree using a novel semicircle fitting based 3D reconstruction scheme. So the algorithm has several layers. This is the first layer, the pre-processing framework. Here we basically create semicircle fitted models of each of the depth image of the tree. We are using several depth images, so we do this for all the depth images. So we start with a raw depth image. The first thing is to for getting quality results, we need to clean it. So we remove the noise, we filter the background noise, and we apply noise removal, lens distortion removal. Once we have a clean depth image, we basically uh, try to find the 2D skeleton of the tree, and the 2D skeletonization is done using a Voronoi diagram technique. Uh, Here I would like to mention that once we have the 2D skeletons, basically the 2D vertices and the interconnections between them, we create several cross sections around. For each skeleton vertex, we create cross sections and we try to compute the optimal diameters and the centers associated with each of the cross section, and finally fit semicircles to those cross sections. So this we do for all the depth images. The second and the final part is the alignment framework. So what we basically do, we find semicircle fitted model of all the depth images that we have as input. We convert them to their 3D point cloud pairs, align them, and finally merge all this data together to get the final 3D reconstruction using the incremental and the global merging approaches. So here I have given a little bit idea about how we align successive depth images. We take the two depth images consecutive pairs. We extract the features and match the features between them. Typical features will be the junction points, trunk junctions, and things like that. So basically, we perform a ICP-based alignment for on only the match feature points and get an initial alignment, and we do further alignment to get the final transformation between the two consecutive depth images. Here are some of the results of my experiment. So I have shown the ground to truth results of an indoor tree, standalone indoor tree, and one outdoor tree. And here are the two different models from incremental approach and the global approach. I would be discussing in details about these methods so during the poster session. So please visit me during the poster session 1D session, and the ID is 3. Thank you.